welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and summer has finally arrived. So today I'd like to share with you all a delicious, refreshing beverage that shares all the wonderful flavors of the season. So get ready for a tropical fruit punch. Let's dive in. Start off by grabbing a pitcher and add in some pineapple juice to get this party started. Now add in some Guava Nectar and Mango Nectar. This is going to bring out even more tropical flavors and sweeten up our sour pineapple. Next, we're going to introduce a little tangy citrus with some orange juice. Now let's dull down those more sour flavors and add some sweetness with some apricot nectar and apple juice. Lastly, in the spirit of all the fun in the sun we'll have this summer, we're going to add in some water. This is going to help calm down some of those very bold flavors we have right now. Give it all a good mix, let it chill for a couple hours, and let's enjoy this dish. This is one of my favorite summer drinks. All of these delicious fruit flavors come together perfectly to give you something real sweet and tropical and very refreshing. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite beverages in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. It's really good.
There's fruit in it!
Yes, there is fruit in it.